Hello guys, in today's video we'll be looking at $1,000 plan in trading boom and crash. Okay, how to make $1,000 plan for trading boom and crash. By following this plan, okay, you will be able to make $1,000. Okay, this might not be immediately, but within a gradual process it will be very easy for you to achieve within a short period. Okay, so I want you to sit tight and listen to and watch this video to the end so that you will understand every steps to take in order to achieve this. Okay, but before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Quora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen in case you want to know more about my trading strategy, or probably you want to know more about my trading tools. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this, which I usually do every day. Okay, so just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly we will be looking at what is happening in the market before we go straight into what we have for today. Okay, I'll be starting with boom 1000. For boom 1000, it's been on uptrend for a while. This is 1 hour time frame, and I'm using the signal indicator. But if you should check it out, it has gotten to this resistance level before, and it has gotten to it here again, and even though it tried to break it a bit, but still came down again. But right now it is still at the same resistance level, so which means it will be selling from here. So you can place some sell order at the moment for boom 1000. So for boom 1000, okay, we're going to do that later. For boom 1000, it's going to be a sell for now. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I'm using the crusher indicator. It's been on a very strong uptrend, but right now it is at a resistance level. If it is not breaking this resistance level, definitely we should be experiencing a sell trend any moment from now. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, it has been selling even though it has gotten to a resistance level and trying to pull back up. At the moment it is consolidating, but it is most likely it goes back up, okay, because it is at a major resistance level. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500, and I'm using the QDC scripper indicator. For boom 500, it just got to a resistance level which is trying to push it back downward. If it breaks this this 4 MA candles, then it will be coming down on downtrend, and of course the trend is already on downtrend. The trend is yet to change, so definitely it will definitely come down to downtrend before it will change back to uptrend. Okay, so at the moment the trend is still on downtrend for boom 500, and I will be stopping there with the analysis. So we'll be moving on to what we have for today. The topic for today is $1,000 plan for trading boom and crash. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let me quickly show you this so that we get to know what we should look out for before we trade using this strategy. Okay, there are some things you need to have in place before you can trade this strategy. So many people have been asking about how I have been making $1,000 whenever I'm trading, and they would like to do the same thing. It's not something that just happened just like that. It took some time before I could get to that level. Sometimes I even make above that, but it took some time before I was able to get to that level. So you guys must also learn to follow the rules and regulation. You must learn to practice also in order to trade this successfully. So these are some of the few tips I have for you guys. Okay, the first one is you must have a very good setup, that is a very good trading tools, okay, that will help you to trade it successfully. And I will be sharing one with you right now in today's video. The second thing is you need to know your trend. Your setup should be able to let you know the trend of the market easily. Once you are able to identify the direction of the market, then you should know that you following the direction will help you to milk the market successfully. Then the third thing is mark your support and resistance level. These two areas are very important, your support and resistance level, because those points are those places where we usually have reversal in price action. So you can easily milk the market with those opportunities, and we can also have breakout opportunities from there. Once you get breakout opportunity, it shows that you can also milk the market for a very long time. Then you need to be able to identify your best entry point. Okay, once you know the first three, then you should be able to identify your best entry point. And doing this, you need to follow your signal. So all these 5 points are what I will be highlighting in today's video. So let's go straight to the chart so that we get to see how to do it. So the setup I'm using here is that of the QDC Scraper indicator. It is an amazing setup, and I'm going to share with you how to use it. And it's also, I've also added the support and resistance to it, which I have put the download link in the Telegram channel, so you guys can also go there to copy to download the support and resistance indicators from there. Okay, just the support and resistance, not the full setup. Okay, that is what you will find in the Telegram channel, so you guys can go there to download it. So we already know our support and resistance. You can see the resistance here is a verified one, and you can see the support here is this verified one. Then we can know our trend also using all the setup on the chart. Then we should know the signal to follow. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame, which makes it very easy for us to trade. Check it out. We got a buy signal here. Then you can always come here, and it is from a support level, and trade till you get your sell arrow popping out. Okay, you can see the sell arrow popped out here, and it came down a bit. Okay, so this is actually for 35 minutes candles, which is amazing. It came down a bit, which means you can also sell alongside and also come in for a buy signal here. Okay, we got another buy signal here, and it got to this level. Right now we have a sell signal at the resistance level. This actually gave us 10 candles, which is for 10 hours. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. So if you can follow the signal on the chart on this setup, then you can easily milk the market successfully. But first, your time frame must be on 1 hour time frame. So if you should follow from here, you can see we got a buy signal here, and it's got to this level. You can see that they are not breaking the support and resistance level, and if they break it, then you should experience a breakout in action. A breakout action at that particular point. This actually went for 49 hours. Okay, then we got another sell signal here to this level, which went for 23 hours, almost a day. Then we got a buy here to this level, then that is for 5 hours. Then a sell again to this level, that is for 5 hours again. Then a buy again to this level. This will be for more than that. Okay, so that is how to go about that. You can practice with this over and over. All you just need to do is just to make sure you have this setup on your chart and practice with it. Follow the video, follow every steps I have highlighted in the video, and make sure you practice throughout a day. Make sure you perfect your skill before you try it out on your real